Hey there, hope you're having a good day. I'm Bryan Lilly, and I'm a landscape architect and a sites accredited professional in Dewberry's Gainesville, Virginia office. And today I'd like to talk to you about the Sites version 2 rating system for sustainable land design and development. SITES stands for the Sustainable Sites Initiative. And this initiative provides a comprehensive rating system to evaluate sustainable land development. It is very similar to the LEED rating system used to evaluate buildings. However, SITES evaluates the outdoor environments such as our neighborhoods, our commercial centers, parks, roadways, or any other outdoor land development project. The core message of the SITES rating system is that any land development project has the potential to protect, improve, or even regenerate natural systems, and thereby creating a sustainable site. Any project hoping to obtain a site certification must use the SITES guiding principles throughout the site's selection, design, construction, and maintenance and operation phases. The SITES rating system has a total possible score of 200 points, and there are 4 certification levels of certified, silver, gold, and platinum.